It's your boy Crypto Blood. I got a trade to win alert coming straight from MEXC.com, my exclusive exchange partner for CBTV. They do these trade to win releases all the time, and this is your opportunity to come out with a nice bag of whatever token they're doing the trade to win campaign for. This time it is with MBX. You get a chance to win a share of 1,040 MBX tokens. And so just to put that into context, the MBX token is currently trading at $8.47, almost $8.50, a high of about $10.26. So you're talking about just over $8,600. So there's a lot of money on the line here. What you want to do, ladies and gentlemen, is click the link in the description of this video, sign up with MEXC Global, and start buying and selling this MBX token. As you guys see here, once again, trading at $8.47, $8.50 now. Terms and conditions with this trade to win campaign: net deposits equals deposits minus withdrawals. So validating trading volume equals buys plus sales. Users participating in this event must complete the KYC required verification. You're going to have to do that anyway to get the $25 airdrop from me in the link in the description below. The rewards will also be distributed within 11 working days after the event concludes. Now, the event will be ending in just one day, so you gotta act on this ASAP. Grand prize is 290 MBX tokens. That's just shy of $2,500, but you have to have a cumulative minimum trading volume of $40,000 USDT. Second prize gets 190 MBX. Third gets 100, and then you see the rest of the table down there. 4th through 10th place gets 22 MBX tokens apiece, which you only have to trade a minimum of 10,000 USDT. So you might be wondering, what is MBX? It is basically a high quality gaming content house who are integrating blockchain within their game releases. They have a white paper. You want to check it out, go to MBX.io for more details on that. There are 2 games live already: A3 Still Alive and Ni no Kuni, a Cross Worlds game. The A3 Still Alive game is running on, or uses, the utility token called Ethereum. Okay, it is run on the MBX platform made by Netmarble N2. And again, you kind of use your Ethereum tokens plus the MBX wallet and cryptocurrency exchange all kind of work hand in hand with that. So you basically, you're pegging the Ethereum to the MBX token. As you guys can see there, this is all in-game currency here for you for this A3 Still Alive game. So there it's live, they have users, and it is trading on MEXC. So you probably will start seeing some volume and demand for this token as this game becomes more popular. The second game that is live right now is the Ni no Kuni Cross Worlds game, and it is available on PC, Google Play, and Apple Store. This game also runs on the MBX.io chain, and you can see where the NKA token and NKT token all run on the MBX and is traded against the MBX token. So again, these are examples of games using blockchain, and you can get your chance to win up to $2,500 worth of MBX tokens if you get over to MEXC right now. Link in the description below. That's it. Just want to give you guys a new trade to win alert coming out of MEXC. People earn decent amount of money doing these trade to win contests, so get over there, provide some liquidity, and possibly win some money. If you found this video informative, like, share, and subscribe. Give me your feedback on MEXC, the global exchange, and also if you've looked at MBX. Seems like a pretty interesting gaming house, all right, on the blockchain. That's what's neat about it. Again, like, share, and subscribe. It's your boy Crypto Blood, and I'm out of here. Holla!